Have you checked have you done a general water test?
R.I.P. Dunk for real. Dunk, my homie, is dead as hell. Rest in peace, my guy. Close defeat, huh? Interesting.
Alright. Temperature. Where's your temperature at?
This world is gonna be filled with beast men.
Don't worry.
Beasts.
We have a lot more, a lot of goodies here soon.
Also a lot of goodies.
I'm making so much money right now. So my economy structure's almost done.
Do you have a 20 stack? Like, is on in a 20 stack right now?
No.
No? You should probably get him in one, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
100% you need to get him in one.
We will.
Bloody hell, I just realized I have 2 Hearthstone shards that I can pop down. And I can't believe I just said bloody hell. That's the most British thing I've ever said in my life.
It's alright. As it pops out, it's okay. Fuck yeah.
That's a whole lot of fucking trees.
All the trees.
Well, that's no more trees. They're all dead. This is gonna be hard for me to take by myself. So I'm gonna bring this guy over here. Oh, he's in his chariot now. That's fun.
Is the Kazakh monger. Farewells. Got the lift, Drokugal.
Did I get another realm yet? Nope. That's fine. I'll just blow my entire 2 armies for no reason whatsoever.
Oh, the sea heater. That's probably your fucking issue. Like, literally. Like, no joke.
Oh, well, that's not.
Oh, I don't have a cast I need to get. Alright.
Can I piece her out? Because I really don't want to lose that settlement. I'd have to pay this bitch 17,000 gold to leave me alone.
Don't worry, we'll strike her back. We'll get her fucking back.
Anchors,
She might be fucking with you now.
No, she's not fucking with me at all. I kind of just blew up all of her settlements and left her alone for like a bunch of times.
Pussy, Duck, Saru, Uncle.
I was like, eh, that's fine. She's learned her lesson.
Alright, I'm done.
What does this guy get? What he gives them to harpies, right? Can I massacre harpies? I can. Just for a bit.
Let's see.
I think you shocked the shit out of them, Cerberus, and that's why you had that. They got shocked.
I'm thinking of pushing village.
Do it.
I'm coming that way, Rage. One day.
Oh, Mr. Clown, what the fuck are you doing? All you do is sit in the fucking base.
Algrundal Haskala.
Bro, can you leave me alone, please? I'm not getting in on aggression with you. I'm not going to attack you yet. Just relax. Rage, yes or no?
On what?
Just yes or no.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know what the. Oh, okay.
I don't know what he's asking, but
We're making.
I gave you a yes or no. I was gonna go help Cloud, but you said no. So I was gonna
Shit.
break my contract and teleport to Cloud.
Shit.
Because I had a contract for you to help you kill those people, but Rage kinda
Oh, well, there goes that. That was shit. Oh.
kinda said no.
well, sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles.
Alright, we're looking pretty good on here. Oh shit, Lothar's right there. Motherfucking dick.
Rarjar. You fool.
Yeah, Lothar's coming. So you know what? We'll go to the south.
Raise arms.
Take Green Crossroads. Attack up and take his property.
Razudionsa.
Damn.
Freak.
Rage, the person that you just vassalized wants me to kill your vassal. Your, like, Viking vassal.
My other vassal?
Yeah. So my bounty, he's like the sightless wants me to kill Lady, whatever the fuck that name is.
Yeah,
16,000 gold.